If you want to speed up and optimize your OnePlus 15R, then you can do a couple of things. Most of the things can be done in the Phone Manager app. If you open it, then after a couple of seconds you can see this optimize button that we can use in order to clean up our phone, go through privacy settings. We also have security protection and some general things that can be done. You might also see recommended optimizations that of course you can use in case you want to do so, but I think one of the most important ones might be the system boost over here, which allows you to clear cache, clear some memory and so on and so forth, and disable apps that are somewhere running in the background, just like that. And here also we can find some recommended optimization options. Now in here we have some tools that you might want to take a look at, although I don't think there are some things that are worth mentioning when we are talking about speeding up the phone and optimizing it, unless we are talking about the cleanup of the storage. Now besides that, what you can also do is you can go to settings and then choose the system and update. And then over here, let me actually try to find it, we can go to recommended services, and you should be able to find the Phone Manager services. So this is for those who do not have the Phone Manager app on their phone. You want to make sure that this option is enabled. Now, another thing that is worth also mentioning is the RAM boost. So we're gonna go to the About device over here in settings, and then you want to tap on RAM. Over here we can find the RAM expansion, so you can of course make sure that it is enabled, and you can go ahead and choose, for example, 12 gigabytes of additional RAM, and that might be useful to have on your phone. Of course, here we can also see the RAM usage, so in case it is increased, then of course you might be able to take a look at the apps that are, for example, often cleaned up, and you can, for example, try to do something about it. Like, for example, reducing the usage, the background usage, by going to battery. In the battery, we can, of course, find these apps. So let's say if I choose this app over here, I can reduce the power consumption, which, of course, also reduces the usage by the phone. And remember about background apps. So if you go to the recent apps or background apps, then of course you can close them if you don't need them anymore. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.